To track Bill4Time Xero integration, start by understanding what Bill4Time and Xero are. Bill4Time is a time tracking and billing software, while Xero is an accounting platform. Integrating these two systems allows for seamless synchronization of time tracking, invoicing, and accounting data. First, ensure you have a Bill4Time account and a Xero account. Log into your Bill4Time account and navigate to the integration settings. Search for Xero and click on the integration option. You will be redirected to Xero to authorize the connection. In Xero, select the organization you want to connect to Bill4Time and click Authorize. You will be redirected back to Bill4Time, where you need to configure the integration settings. Map your Xero accounts to Bill4Time accounts, including income accounts, expense accounts, and tax rates. Once the integration is set up, you can start tracking time in Bill4Time and pushing invoices to Xero. In Bill4Time, create a new project or task and track time as you normally would. When you are ready to invoice, generate an invoice in Bill4Time and select the option to push it to Xero. In Xero, the invoice will be created as a draft, allowing you to review and approve it before sending it to your clients. The invoice will include all the time tracking data from Bill4Time, including hours worked, rates, and totals. To ensure accurate tracking, it is essential to regularly review and reconcile your data in both Bill4Time and Xero. Check for any discrepancies or errors and make adjustments as needed. This will help you maintain accurate financial records and ensure compliance with accounting standards. Best practices for tracking Bill4Time Xero integration include setting up regular syncs between the two systems, using consistent accounting codes and categories, and regularly reviewing and reconciling data. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively track your Bill4Time Xero integration and streamline your time tracking, invoicing, and accounting processes.